Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you 5 best messaging apps for Android. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're feeling like your current testing app is a bit stale, you're actually in luck because the options we have right now are honestly quite impressive. So, whether you want something that looks beautiful or something that is practically things for you, well, there's a perfect fit out there. So, in this case, one of the most forward-thinking options right now is going to be Next or the handset Next SMS Messenger. So basically, which you might know as a handset here. So it has completely leaned into AI using open AI to do things like summarize a long thread of messages, so you don't have to scroll back or even like checking your grammar or spelling before you hit send. Now it's great for the power user because it has this anywhere feature that lets you text from your computer or tablet without needing your phone nearby. It even has the private box on most sensitive chats here. So just keep in mind that since it's pushing all these high-tech features, you might run into an ad now and then to help keep those AI tools running, or basically in order for you to start using it for free. Now, next is we have Wise SMS. Now, if you're someone who hates ads and just wants a clean premium experience, well, you got to look at Wise SMS. Now, it's a bit of a hidden gem because it's totally free but feels high end. Now, the thing that you like about this one is the pure black theme. Now, if you have an OLED screen, it looks incredibly sharp and saves battery. Now, it's also smart as well, so it automatically adjusts conversation colors based on who you're talking to, or so every chat feels kind of unique. It's ad free as well, which is rare for free apps right now. That in this case, even this polish as well. So it even supports Wear OS if you like texting from your watch. So for people who want to customize every tiny detail, well, in this case, Textra is still the reigning champ here. So you can change the theme, the bubble style here, and even the font for every single person in your contact list. Now, it gives you a few seconds to cancel a text if you realize you made a typo or send it to the wrong person. Now, it also handles those pesky iPhone reactions perfectly, so they appear as actual emojis on your messages instead of an awkward text description. And we also have what we call smart messages. Now, which is perfect if you're a multitasker. So it uses the appear on top notification style that lets you reply without leaving the app you're currently using. Now, it's very focused on convenience, giving you one tap options to send voice memos or call someone directly from the chat. Now, it even has its own version of RCS features. So if your friends are using it too, you get the high resolution media sharing and typing indicators that makes texting feel more like a real-time conversation. And finally, we have our last option here, which is going to be Google Messages. Now, you can't ignore Google Messages right now. So it's basically the gold standard for reliability. Now, it's the only one that gives you that full encrypted RCS connections when you're texting people on iPhones, which is huge for privacy. Now, plus Google has baked their Gemini AI right into the app. It can help you draft a professional reply or even like spot a scam text before you open it. So it's the safe choice that just works seamlessly with your Google account and also your browser. So in this case, the best advice that we could give you here is if you want to feel like you're in the future, you may want to go with Next SMS. But if you just want your phone to look amazing and stay ad free, Wise SMS is the way to go. Either way, you're definitely going to have a better experience than sticking with the default. But then again, it's still up to you if you want to have the basics or if you want to re-customize what your messages or the app would look like, or if you just after the functionality, well, you can go and choose one of the following here, or you can test them out or every app in here and see what works best for you. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.